Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Oppo A77. And to do this, first thing is to find the speakers on this device. So first one is on the bottom, right here. Next is on the top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. And that's basically all of the speakers on this device. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound was coming from both of the speakers, and that means this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.